Morning Friday, and I'm making a breakfast run. Sell some coffee and something to eat. Interesting. The chef. Thank you. Wow, cooker's so dirty. It's the end of Friday. And I'm listening to myself on the internet. Sorry. Alright. So, end of Friday. I've decided from November I've got to start being healthier. So I'm going to buy a bike. I'm going to start riding my bike around instead of getting taxis and the subway. And I'm going to start going to the gym a lot more. I think I'm just going to make a few changes to my lifestyle. Try and become a little bit healthier. Though that's almost impossible given the air quality in Beijing. I saw it peak up to 550 something just a few moments ago. So, I don't know if the air quality alone will kill me or not. Alright, over and out. It's Friday night and it's past midnight. Actually, no it's not. It's 1:45 midnight. Still early. Ish. See you tomorrow, Saturday.